Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks for stopping by to check out this very brief video today. And I want to share the latest on this wonderful opportunity, Nexus Rewards. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay? We're not going to be long, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Okay, now Nexus Rewards is being built to last for decades, and that's really what you want to look for when you're looking for a home-based business. Nexus Rewards is helping people build their dream residual income, plus there is fast start money, okay? Nexus Rewards is the perfect $10 business to add to your portfolio of income generators. It's actually $9.95 per month, and there's a one-time setup fee of $40, and you are in business to make some serious income, okay? Now, people will thank you for bringing them such a simple and lucrative, low-cost money-making opportunity. Now check this out. For a limited time, they will give you lifetime Nexus VIP Travel Club membership for free. And this will save you an incredible amount of money, okay? And this is just by becoming a premium member. That's the $9.95 per month program, all right? And so this is absolutely incredible, okay? Now, be sure to join my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter, okay? We talk about personal growth and development. We talk about making money online, motivation, inspiration, encouragement, business building ideas and tips. And I tell you something, if you're looking to build a business, then you want to come on board with us. We've got everything in place to help you to become a success online. Plus, I'll leave the link directly to this amazing program, Nexus Rewards. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.